Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone microphone not working. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, you have to open your settings and check Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And after this, go back. Scroll it down. Now tap on screen time. Scroll it down. Tap on content privacy restriction. Scroll it down. Tap on microphone and allow change. And all permission turn on. And go back. Scroll it down. Tap on privacy. Scroll it down. Tap on microphone. All permission turn on. And go back. Tap on general. Scroll it down. Tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and tap on reset all network settings. Doing reset all network settings, you need to go back. After this, your problem still not solved, then restart your iPhone, so your problem will be fixed. After doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.